Hey parents, if you're looking for a baby gate that actually works for wide spaces, stays secure, and doesn't require drilling into your walls, today's review is for you. We're testing the Cumbor Extra Wide Baby Gate, a Mom's Choice Award winner that promises safety, convenience, and durability. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. 1 wide and adjustable coverage. This gate extends from 29.7 inches up to 57 inches, making it perfect for large doorways, staircases, and hallways. The 30.5-inch height keeps toddlers and pets safely contained, while the pressure-mounted design means no drilling or permanent installation. Two-handed operation and auto-lock. Need to pass through quickly? The auto-close feature ensures the gate locks securely behind you. The 90-degree hold-open option is perfect for when you're carrying groceries or a baby. Plus, the double lock mechanism prevents little ones from figuring it out. 3 heavy-duty and pet-friendly, made with military-grade carbon steel, this gate can handle daily wear and tear, from toddler tantrums to energetic dogs. It's rated for 10,000-plus open-close cycles, so it won't wear out anytime soon. 4 safe and easy to install, no tools needed. The adjustable tension knobs keep it firmly in place without damaging walls. The smooth, rounded edges prevent injuries, and the sturdy frame won't wobble or collapse under pressure. If you need a wide, durable, and hassle-free baby gate, the Cumbor is a top choice. It's perfect for parents who want safety without the headache of drilling or complicated setups. Have you tried this gate? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If this review helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest baby gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.